Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about the string handling, the functions of the string functions. In my last video sessions I have already stated about the string functions. I have discussed 5 of the string functions, like length I have discussed caret, index of, last index of, to uppercase, to lowercase. Now today I will begin my session with the function. First I will discuss with the substring. Okay. Now what is this substring function? Sub means part, and part of what? String. Means in the substring function we need to extract the part of the string. Okay. So this function is basically used. Write the definition, please write it down. This function is used for extracting a part of a string, a part of the given string from a specified position. Okay. Now, as I told that this is used to extracting a part of the given string from the specified position. Now the extract material which we will get from that particular string will also be a string. So the return data type for this function is the return data type of this function is string. Okay. Now this function we use in two ways. Okay, I will show you both the ways and how to use the substring function in two different ways. Okay, now first I will discuss with the first way how we will use it. So I am writing here A. The syntax which we will follow is your string variable is equal to string dot substring and within the parenthesis of this function I will write the parameter or the index. What I will specify here? The index. Okay. Or you can see it as a position from where I have to apply the substring. Okay. Then we put the semicolon. For example, suppose I write string z equals to, now I take a string here like computer, or we are studying computer, so I take the example of the computer only. So I take computer, okay, dot substring, and here suppose I give position number 5. Now we have to observe that. Okay, so now what I am making here, just see here in the board, I am writing computer, COMPUTER. Okay, COMPUTER. So I writing the position, specified the position here. So the computer, so the C is present at the 0th position, O is present at the 1 position, M is present 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so here as I have specified the number, you can see here I have specified here 5. So the extraction will be from this particular position until the end. Okay. So what we will get? TER. So we get the output at this situation as TER. Okay. So when a single index will be specified, then the substring function extract this part of the string from that particular position till the end of the string. Okay, so I'm writing that note for you. Okay, so in this situation, when a single index is given, then substring is used to extract from that position till the end of the string. Okay, so this is the case 1, means when a single position will be given. Okay, now I will move to the second case. Okay, case number 2. Syntax of the second case is your string, then we write the variable is equal to string dot substring. Okay, then in the bracket we write 2 indexes, so we write here index 1 comma index 2. Okay, semicolon. For example, now suppose I take here string n equals to, okay, and here suppose I write here the substring as a, same example I am taking here, computer, computer as a string I am taking. Now dot substring. Okay. Now I want to extract this particular value, means what I have to extract, I want to extract put. Okay, then I will specify the position of the p. So what is the position of p? 0 1 2 3, so it is present in the third position. Okay, and what should be our last value of this particular string? T will be the last value, so we will get one step ahead, so we will go till here, so 3 4 5 6. Okay, so when we are extracting 3 4 5 6, that means it is extracting the characters of the position 3 4 and 5, means it goes from that particular, suppose if I take it as a m and this take it as a n, then it will go from m to n minus 1. Okay, keep this in mind, this is very important. If m is the starting position and n is the ending position, then the extraction will be done from m to n minus 1. Okay, so here similarly you will get here the output as a put. Okay, so in this case or in this situation, it will return the characters. Okay, I am writing here characters, that means it is a string. Okay, don't confuse with that. Okay, characters. Okay, it will return the characters from the start index to last index minus 1. Okay, now if you take it as m, if I'm taking it as m and this I take it as n, then the extraction will be from m to n minus 1. Okay, very important function. Let's keep in mind, we use in most of the programmings for extracting the words or for getting the number of words. Okay, so word related program we use a substring function. Okay, now the next function is your replace. Okay, the function are very much case sensitive. Okay, so you must write the functions in order they are written in the JLib. Okay, it should be the appropriate case. Suppose the last example function I told you, the substring to substring, all are in the small case. Okay, don't make any of the later in the uppercase. Now what is the use of the replace function? Okay, so as the name says, the replace means to replacing. Okay, means to remove one particular thing from one place to the another place. Or here what we will be doing, we will be replacing one character by another character or a particular string from the by the another string. Okay, so in this function a character of the given string is replaced by another character. Okay, this function, a character of the given string is replaced by another character. Okay, it replaces all the occurrence of that character. Okay, it is also used to replace a word of the given sentence by another word. Okay, so this is the replace function. Now I am writing the syntax of it. before writing the syntax, what will be the return type of this replace? The return type of the replace will be your string, because we are not changing that string. What we are doing, we just replacing the character. Thus the output will come as a string only. So the return type of this function is your string. Return type of this function is string. Okay. Syntax: string variable is equal to string dot replace. Okay. Now one character by the another character, so I am writing here char1 is the first character will be replaced by the second character, so it is char2, okay, semicolon, or we can write string variable is equal to string dot replace. Okay, so here we will replace one word, so I can take it as a string 1. Okay, so I am writing here string 1. So this is string 1 is what? This is string 1 is your word, comma is string 2. Okay, so this is string 2 is the another word, semicolon. Okay. Now giving you the example. For example, a string z equals to Malayalam dot replace. Okay, what we will do, we will writing here small a, okay, as it is a character, so writing within the single quotes by the which sign? Asterisk sign. Okay, so this will be equal to m asterisk l asterisk y asterisk l asterisk m. So all the occurrence of the a will be replaced by the asterisk symbol. Okay, another example, suppose a string y equals to, I take the string name as a sentence, I am taking blue bottle in blue bag. Okay, blue bottle in blue bag. Okay. Now dot replace I want to replace the word blue with the word red, so I am writing here within double quotes blue, comma, again within double quotes red, semicolon. So what output you will get here? You will get the output as a red bottle in red bag. Okay, one thing you have to keep in mind, that the case of the word should be same, and then only it will be replaced. If I change the case of the word, then that particular word will be not changed or replaced. Okay, so these are the two functions, the substring and a replace. Next we will move to the function as a concat. Okay, concat. Concat means concatenation, means to join. Okay, so this function is a simple function. It basically joins two strings. Okay, so this function is used to join two strings without leaving any space, without leaving any space. Okay. So the return type of this function is a string. The return type is string. Okay. Now I move to the syntax of this. Syntax string z equals to string 1 dot concat string 2. Okay, so what we are doing, we are joining two strings. This is the first string and this is the second string. So first string will be merged with the second string. First we will get the first string followed by the second string. Okay. For example, if I write here the string z equals to, okay, and suppose I write string 1 as a ICSE dot concat, okay, and within this, within the string 2, within the quotes I am writing here class 10. Okay, so this will come as output as a ICSE. Now no space will be leaving, so C will come as a close here class 10. Okay, so this will be the output. Concat is also joining of string. Okay, joining of string is also done by using the symbol plus. Joining of strings can be done by using plus operator. Okay, so it is more convenient to use plus as compared to the concat. Okay, for example, suppose I write here string z equals to ICSE plus class 10. So it will give you the output as a ICSE class 10. It will join together and it will merge and it will store in the variable z. Okay, so these are the three functions. Now we will go to the next function. That function name is your equals, and after equals we will go to the equals ignore case. Okay.